Greetings viewers. I hope that the previous video provided a good insight about what gold is about to do in the near term future. So in this video, which is a continuation of the previous video, so please do not continue without watching the previous one. And we have been discussing about the astrological square analysis, which is an integral part of Gann's methodologies. It is very traditional and is of high value. So please watch the video completely. Do not skip in between. Here, as you can see, we have drawn a square. The blue lines as a boundary and the white lines in the interior represent something more interesting than a simple square. So here, as you can see, the square has been drawn from the 1045 swing low, which is the extreme low point of that swing and the initiating point of the new trend, which is actually ongoing here. So the 1045.4 serves as a place where a square can be initiated. Here a square of another 1045. Say for example, here the price wise the square has its uppermost boundary on 2090, which is 1045 into 2, which is twice that of the 1045 starting point. So which completes a square, and time wise there is a calculation for the time property. Here it is a 232 bars from here to here, and based upon the guidelines given in the Gann lessons, we can see that there are multiple lines which are in the inside of the square, dividing or segmenting the total square into n number of divisions. Here we can see that each and every price point or price line that we have calculated and drawn over here provides true resistance. In addition to that of the static ones here, this also serves to be the most important factor, and none other than the lines over here or that of a horoscope. See, you can see a horoscope here, the square within a square, which is an actual horoscope drawing in 2D. Therefore, this provides great insight about the internal resistances and the energies invigorating a move or wherever the support is available. So all these things which are internally deep hidden are being taken into view here by the astrological square. As you can see here, let's zoom into the whole where we are given a good idea. You can see here these lines, these white lines serve as an important geometrical resistance, where you can see the asset cannot cross that particular line so easily as it is doing elsewhere. Therefore, just take into account these timelines also. The timelines are as important as price resistance, because that will be the exact points where the market is going to actually turn, which means a swing low or swing high will be formed almost in that area of time. Therefore, please take very cautionary note of the time periods or the time lines we have drawn here, which are actually calculated and they are not random. They carry a significant amount of meaning and importance within them. Here, as you can see, the price lines exactly just view this point. Here, in nowhere, the market has exactly turned after touching the price resistance, which we have calculated and drawn, which otherwise we don't know in the blind side, because there is no line in a chart stating this area, this particular price point, which is actually 1567, which is a very important resistance level as per the calculations we have already made, and after the calculations are made which are used to draw this square. This is a astrological square. Therefore we are also going to discuss something about our traditional astrology, the Parashara Hora method, Hora astrology. In this year 2020, before a month itself, the Jupiter planet, which is responsible for gold because of its yellow color, its properties, gold is directly linked with planet Jupiter. Whatever Jupiter is experiencing or Jupiter is imparting, gold will be on that phases. So here in this year, the Jupiter planet is in its own house, and it is in a good position. The position will be a bit shaggy till the January 21st, but after that, the real price of the gold will inch even higher than what we are all are expecting. So as per the video 1, you have already learned that the wave that is currently happening has its own channel, and it has its own price limits, price resistance levels. Time levels are very important. The 65 and 81 are the important periods of time to watch. Also, if 81 is breached, then the market will be aiming for 90. 90 is an important turning point. 360 by 4 is 90. 90 is an important one because 9 plus 0, which is equal to 9. 9 is an important number in the mathematics itself. 9 is a different number. So this square is really important. Please take note of it and trade accordingly. If you do have any doubts, you can use the comment box section, or you can even contact me directly. If somebody is willing to directly have a one-on-one coaching session on the Gann total courses, then please visit the website so that you will get a good idea of what we are actually doing, and then you can call us from there. Thank you everyone for watching this video. As a form of gratitude, I'd like to ask every viewers to share, comment, and maximize the reach of this video with the fellow traders and your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video.